Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Officers Couldn't Keep a Straight Face with this entitled shoplifter.
On May 15, 2025, officers stopped a woman on a bicycle that was believed to have committed retail theft in a nearby shopping center.
Ellsworth in Chicago. How you doing?
Hi, sir.
Good. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, of course.
Where are we coming from today?
What? Just downtown.
Downtown? Where at?
I was at Blue Mercury.
Okay.
We're at Starbucks for a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we do any shopping?
What?
Did you do any shopping today?
It was a browsing day, no?
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Do you mind?
What, of course.
Or if I can get your name?
Sure.
Other than Blue Mercury, where were you at?
Oh, I was at Sunglass Hut.
Sunglass Hut?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that where you're coming from right now?
What's that?
Is that where you're coming from right
It
now?
was the last place, yes.
Okay. Did you buy anything there?
No.
No. Do you have any merchandise from there?
I'm not sure how this is supposed to be. Like, if you want them, sure.
Sunglasses?
Something that I thought was left for me and taken care of. So I forgot to pick them up the first time.
Okay, explain this to me
The
again.
store was giving me a bit of a trouble, so.
How did this occur?
Huh?
How did this occur?
Oh, I had them held for me
What did you have
several
held for
days
you?
ago. Oh, it actually was 4 pairs of sunglasses.
Okay.
So.
Do you have?
We have locals with her if you'd like those first.
Yeah,
I
go
mean,
ahead.
if there's a problem, I can renegotiate.
It's 4 and
the
2,
sunglass.
female born 82. She
The
lives in
Sunglass
Huntley.
store.
She also steals from the Mac store, I believe. Somebody wrote a report about it last week, maybe.
Oh, the Mac store is not quite.
Choppy. Do you mind putting your kickstand down for me?
Sure.
And where are the sunglasses at? They're in here? Can I get them out?
There, yeah.
Do you mind? I'll get them. Thank
That's
you. How many are in here? Just 2?
What's that?
Just 2 are in here?
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I had 4 put away.
And you said these were left for you?
I had tried them on already, and I thought they were ready for pickup. The communication didn't seem to be, the message didn't seem to get across, so.
Who did the message not get across to?
What's that? Oh, the store facility. The.
So you went to Sunglass Hut previously?
What? I was there several days ago.
Okay, and you bought sunglasses, or they were supposed to be leaving them for
They were
you?
supposed to be left for pickup.
Why were
They
they supposed to be
were-
left for you? I'm
Because they were
confused.
chosen, and then.
What do you mean chosen?
They could be. I was there to try them on in person, and then
Okay.
to pick them up later.
Did you pay for them?
What? They were supposed to be paid for.
By who?
My husband.
Your husband.
Yes.
1031 year history, 61 mother.
Did your husband tell you that he paid for them?
He did, yes.
Okay, how did he tell you?
Communication.
What form of
What is
communication?
this? It's wearables, basically. So he's working in advanced technologies, and
Okay.
so we, test what those technologies are.
Okay. Your husband home?
What?
Is your husband home?
He's actually in Amsterdam right now.
Okay. And he paid for these from Amsterdam?
Yes.
Do you mind if I look?
Of course.
Thank you.
No, not at all.
She coming up with a lie on the spot. She don't even know what she talking about, man. You can see
didn't
that
steal
she's
anything
trying to
else
come up
tonight?
with a lie.
No.
No, you sure?
There's.
Don't go reaching in there. I know, that's fine.
Fine.
I already looked, but it's all right.
Yeah, it's an open book there.
Okay. What do you think should happen to someone that steals stuff from Sunglass Hut?
Well, under which system? I mean.
Under the current system in DuPage County, Illinois,
Well.
that you live in.
I'm here against my will. I can't even agree with your question, so I don't even understand. Under a certain legal system, there is a process, but for myself, gosh, I mean, I'm at the edge of a legal system that doesn't work very well, so.
Okay. Is this from Blue Mercury?
Oh, we were discussing that before, sure.
It's from Blue Mercury?
Yeah, I suppose that's more, I mean,
Did you pay for this?
What?
Did you pay for this?
What do you want? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting information here. There were a number of items. We have trouble with the pickup system currently, which is why there's some interface with the law, unfortunately.
The answer is
It
no.
does depend on the cooperation of the store, but it's like having an app that doesn't work properly.
Okay. Who's at the store?
Justin.
21 from Sam 31.
I unfortunately.
What's your status over there? What do they want done here?
I'm not sure where you are in the system.
Yeah, we're watching the video right now.
If alternative communications can be transferred.
She has 2 sunglasses on her. She's admitting from taking from there. She also has product from Blue Mercury next door.
I mean, I don't know if this is relevant or not, but I'm part of the MyCap program, and I was told basically that I needed to exhibit symptoms of, well, this is treating it as well. So this is why it's very, very experimental, and that's why we're having a bit of friction with the, perhaps they weren't trained properly in our system, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say Blue Mercury, I had a more difficult time negotiating, but what happens is that it just takes several trips. So I would say this is fairly successful because I have a court appointment tomorrow that I need to make.
Okay.
I also have a number of projects that involve specifically this pair of sunglasses. Actually, I'd appreciate.
What is she talking about? What? You stole the stuff. That's it. That's the end of the story. Like, what? Like, come on. How? The thing is right, is that, okay, if you're a criminal, and in her case, right, she's stealing, right? Okay, you try to do it, you're unsuccessful, or maybe you've done it and you have been successful before, and now you're trying it again. Now you are unsuccessful and you got caught. What's wrong with just saying, one, I have nothing to say, I want to speak to my lawyer, right? That's always a good route to go. Or second, you got me. Because they're gonna go look through your bag and stuff like that anyways, right? So they're going to search you. The product is on you. All right, you got me. Go down, do your little 90 days, probably not even, or pay your little restitution. And that's the end of the goddamn story. But to come up with this whole thing and to throw your husband in it that ain't got nothing to do with, why you throwing your husband involved and he ain't got nothing to do with your stealing habits? He ain't even in town. Come on, man.
If I could go out of my way and understand that the court system is actually watching and taking care of me through MyCap. Are you familiar?
I'm familiar with MyCap,
All right,
yes.
wonderful. So
how many cases do you have going where you're going through MyCap?
It's really fun. It's fascinating.
31 from 2.12. Does that happen to be?
Is it here in Florence?
Huh? It
Florence?
is, yes.
Yeah, it's affirmative.
Did you actually care to hear the answer?
I did. Sorry, I have a lot going on.
No problem. I understand.
I asked you about how many cases you have going on through MyCap.
Correct. So that's again complicated. My public defender keeps getting switched. My understanding was I've had 2 or 3.
Okay.
At some point, they decided it was 4 cases.
Are those all like retail theft related cases?
Yes. Yeah. So unfortunately, my husband isn't in the country. He travels a lot, and this is just one way for us to, keep things going positive and beautiful in the world instead of negative and ugly. I've had this dialogue with the court already about treatment process, and unfortunately, this is just where we are. Again, he works in sophisticated technology that some of the retail stores don't quite understand, and also a pretty high-level system. I mean, they barely understand their own products, so why would they understand like an alternative?
31 from 21.
EU.
We're trying to give you a call.
Yeah, this is a new circumstance now where you have again stole items.
So then I would, again,
So I understand you're going through the MyCap program, but that doesn't mean like you can continually just go around stealing and there's no consequences to it. You understand that?
So I have offered you the product, which you are not taking up. I have indicated the communication difficulties with the shop, and also that she's playing both sides. So she's saying that there's something wrong, but I, took her footage. I was basically given the keys to the situation. So she's kind of backtracking a bit. This is impeding progress.
We don't want to impede your progress. The only thing is just, he was just telling you, is because this is a new situation, there's a few other things that we have to take care of before we move on from this.
That's right. What would you like to deal with?
So right now, just be frank, we have another unit over there. He's talking and getting some information from one of the employees over there. It's just like how you said you had your side of the story. We have to get their side. So that's what we're doing right now. And then once that's done, we can figure out what's next, right? So that's what we're doing right now.
All right.
So right now we're just having dialogue and have dialogue.
All right.
I mean, I understand the way that's just taking abuse.
All right. So yes, it's something that takes years.
Real quick, ma'am. Just one last thing here. Do you mind doing me a favor?
Oh, no problem.
Do you mind just turning around and facing this way down the street?
What would you
Put your hands behind your back. Oh.
Okay.
Somebody's driving past to identify her.
All right, ma'am. You're going to be under arrest for retail theft, okay?
All right.
I'll grab another one. 3 Robert 21 positive light.
I have an appointment tomorrow. It is in Portland 4001. Right. So.
The woman was charged with felony retail theft. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't
You can't make this stuff up, man. She was actually coming up with a whole story. But the more she talks, the more I just think her brain is fried. Like, the more she talks, the more I'm like, she might actually believe the stuff that she's actually saying. Mental health is crazy, man. So it's gotten worse and worse over the years, man. You see more things like this. She's just a serial shoplifter. I mean, she got sticky fingers. She just loved the sticky fingers. Can't keep her hands to herself. She said, me stealing it keeps, me and my husband, in a good place or something along those lines. She said, I'm like, what? What are you talking about? Anyway, I think the cops did pretty good, man. 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.